Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something delicious, and that is, well, very easy to prepare, white salad. So here are the ingredients that I will need in order to make this delicious dessert. I have here 2 packs of cream, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of chopped cashew. I have also 2 cans of lychee that I drained, and then I also have 1 bottle of nata de coco, and I have here lychee flavored gelatin. Before I start, I'll introduce to you this root crab. This came from Patrick and Mildred in Alimujan. So this only comes out every Good Friday. Banayan? No, Banayan. No, so thank you. I have not tried this yet. We will just boil this, and then instead of eating rice, we will eat this. Pero I'll just set it aside, and then we'll boil it later. Now, we will prepare our salad. That's simple lang ni, dali lang gida. So I have here our cream, which is easily thawed because of the init the weather. Although this came out of the refrigerator, pero kasi init eh. And then I will just add in this. See? Simple lang ah. And then we will have the delectable dessert in time for the Easter. Okay. That's on. I'm using whisk to combine. Now, they're all combined. I told you this is very easy. Next is we add in our gelatin. That is lychee flavored gelatin. And then, oh, dokadamo ba puro di gelatin salad? No, but I call this white salad because everything looks white. And then we have this nata de coco. And then we'll have some nuts. And then supposed to add some for the leave some for garnish. And then that's it. Amo na class. Ay, class. Sorry I thought I was still in the classroom. So this is it. Yay, namit. Pero this is best eaten when chilled. So, yan lang. Yan lang. Everything. I call this white salad. I do not know how you call it. That's how I call it. Ay, nalipat kita. Tanim butangan ta pa rin sa tapioca. Para may white. Sige na lang, nalipat ta. Pwede na lang. Okay, so that's it. Dali lang kita. I will just have to chill this and then serve it in small salad bowl, and then I'll show it to you. Look here, I have our beautiful white salad. I just garnish it with some cherries and then chop cashew nuts, and then this could be ready for eating. Atak. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Kaunta everyone.
I had the craziest dream last night. Yes, I did.